Did you know that switching from your old boiler could slash your energy bills by up to 40%? If you're tired of watching your money literally go up in smoke every month, this might be the game changer you've been waiting for. Here's the thing most people don't realize about older boilers. That 20-year-old gas or electric unit in your home is probably only running at 60 to 70% efficiency. Every time it fires up, you're essentially throwing cash out the window. Meanwhile, modern condensing boilers can achieve over 90% efficiency, meaning almost every penny you spend actually heats your home. But here's where it gets interesting. The type of replacement you choose matters more than you think. Heat pumps are stealing the spotlight right now, and for good reason. They can be 3 times more efficient than traditional systems because they move heat instead of creating it. Yes, the upfront cost is higher, but the monthly savings add up fast. Electric boilers offer another path. They're incredibly efficient at the point of use, nearly 100%, but your savings depend entirely on your local electricity rates. In some areas, this could be your golden ticket. In others, not so much. Some homeowners are saving thousands, making the switch practically pay for itself. Before you decide, calculate your current annual heating costs. Then research local utility rates and available rebates. The math might surprise you. Your old boiler isn't just costing you comfort during those cold winter nights. It's costing you serious money that could stay in your pocket with the right upgrade.